Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need row 2 row of seat. Hey big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Babe, why are you cheating on me?
You ever accuse me of cheating? Why you accuse me of cheating? What me know?
You have all these girls calling your phone, texting your phone, and you really feel like there's nothing going on?
What? You know what? I call my bridging. I'll show you I'm not cheating. I say my bridging.
Okay, whatever.
Yo, where you did my? You know, some girlfriend I thought, but man I cheat. Like, I don't know I'm trying a dog.
Oh, Rachel, so much thing that.
Who's Rachel?
Dog, not.
Oh, Kimmy.
No, bro.
Kimmy?
What you know? Yo, that's easy. Yo, where you did my otherwise still?
Yo, the brown cat from last night, did you bang it?
Where did you go last night?
Yo, don't listen to him. One thing, yo, impress.
Yeah, shout out to remember because yeah, that fight never got to the brown cat them last night.
Impress.
No.
Yes,
Where you go last night?
Impress, babe. Just watch you know. Impress. Yo, see they did that thing that old school and them thing that go dog.
Why you change the subject for?
That the taste smoke bang my one last night, you did bang here. Remember get kind of video?
Yo.
I'm glad you use protection.
What is it?
No, man, I gotta suck my toe to that. Prince!
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, move that.
Suck it.
Yo, move that.
No, suck it. I gotta suck my
No.
toe to that. Suck it.
Fuck no.
Suck my toe. No, my toe gets suck.
Susan, no. The toe not even appealing.
Suck it. I gotta suck my toe to that. Suck it. Suck my fucking toe. Suck it. Suck it!
What is it, Kevin?
I like you.
I like you too.
No, not like that. I love you. I am in love with you. I want to be your man. I want to marry you.
Oh my God, Kevin. No,
No. What do you mean no?
we're just friends. This
Don't
can't
say that.
happen. But we are just friends, Kevin. It can't happen.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
We are just friends. Just friends. Understand?
No,
Just
don't say that.
As a
Don't
matter
say
of
that.
fact, you're my gay best friend. You're my gay best friend. As a matter of fact, you're my gay best friend. My gay best friend. My gay best friend. As a matter of fact, gay best friend. Joshua, Julissa kiss me on the teeth. Hello, no, see that? You see it, Joshua? What on the teeth? Ooh, son. Watch out. You see right there. My mother kiss me every morning before she got me out of school. Oh, baby. Which my mother kiss me every morning. Oh, man, my grandmother kissed me with her rotten teeth and it touched my ears. Son. Rotten teeth. I really kiss my rotten teeth. I could say my father did kiss me early in the morning with his stinking mouth and me nearly dead.
Oh, well, look who's up. Hey.
Yo.
Yeah, do you need any towels or anything like that?
I'm good.
Oh, well, fuck me in the ears and call me an Uber. You're Jamaican, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm Jamaican, right?
I knew it. Unfortunately, we have a strict policy on no smoking weed in the rooms.
I don't smoke weed.
Okay, all right, Elephant Man, I get it. All right, no one. Hey, I smoke cabbage too. I love weed just as much as the next guy. I'm just letting you know, putting it out there. The weed you have in the room.
I not smoke weed.
Okay, all right, take it easy. Simmer down. All right, I just know how you Jamaicans get when you listen to Bob Marley, you know, and you know the redemption song and stuff. You know, I know it.
Suck him out.
I will certainly not.
Now this one dedicated to the girl with the angel face and the devil heart. You know, so ragamuffin check and the most new car players come to deal with the case. Step up my youth, hear this.
I know this little girl, her name is Maxine. Her beauty's like a bunch of roses. If I ever tell you about Maxine, you older say I don't know what I know, but murder she wrote.
Real.
Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote.
Action with him, I pretend some bad character. Them the kind of living can hold chaka.
Baby, I tell you, even know I love you.
Lie.
I don't feel alive, man. Everything I feel alive.
Sure, answer your phone.
I'm not for answer, I'm not working.
That's why I must answer the phone.
Hello?
Hey, baby.
Pizza Hut, what's up?
Huh? Why are you calling
Can
Pizza
I
Hut?
have a large pepperoni?
Tiwani, what are you talking
Yeah,
about?
pepperoni only.
Why Pizza Hut a caller?
Yeah,
Who's that?
On Sunday, on them time, man.
Tiwani.
Yeah, large pepperoni, thank you.
What are you talking about?
Pizza Hut don't call people.
That's easy, man. Me I tell her pizza. Why you ever accuse me of thing? I'm see your phone. We are sending them purple looking big cucumber looking. Yeah.
Answer the phone.
Hello?
Tiwani, what was that? Why are you calling me?
Pizza Hut.
Why are you calling me Pizza Hut?
Okay, yeah, no pepperoni, add pineapple and ham. Pineapple and ham.
Tiwani,
Thank you.
where you going?
Let me call about Pizza Hut car.
You see, you're too prime now. You're too sweet. You're too prime. You want to call big company. You can call back company.
Then go your
I'm not credit.
They'll never get the order the first time.
No, them head tough. Come
here.
Susan, you wanna know, sir?
IOIM production. I mean, I say, yo.
Bitch, start read my mind. Girl, me done do that already. You know me, I think, though. It's about to go down. Fuck it up!
Touch it dance and a boom tune a play. Tashika touch kid right away. See burger there, there got something sell a fee. See burger there, there got something sell a fee. I wish girl ask if I rang that. Come over here, sir, make me dagger that. I wish girl ask if I rang that. I must the one in the white, now the one in the black. I wish girl dip on the rooftop. Look so sexy in the pink frock. Like she have a tattoo in her back. We're right in her back. Braga daga that. Me touch the dance and a boom tune a play. Tashika touch Kim right away. See burger there, daga something sell a fear. See burger there, daga something sell a fear. Flip the thing, promise something like a dollar kind. Send 5, send 10, say give me the dollar wine. You touch me girl, she tell a man she don't want another wine. The mother than assassin, I mother that's braga wine. A braga wine, and the real band proper wine. You see the okra and the stopper wine. You see
Tiwana nanani Ikushi mushi nyai Twanga, 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 twanga roo. The girl them want kill man. Where boss I go? She hear vroom vroom, she fuss a go. Then she look on me and see a Benz a pass. She said Tiwana nanani where us a go? Here man, where boss I go? She hear vroom vroom, she fuss a go. Then she look on me and see a Benz a pass. She said Tiwana nanani where us a go? Can't believe say ya that the girl choose her. She find a man we drive a Land Cruiser. She said Tivani which part you park me pipe on the ground and pipe on me shoes. Now this a girl you mess up me heart. She stop text me yet she stop talk. Say she want a BMW with that stand for till I say I better me back.
That's it. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace.